This is IZI ONE Lite, the best action camera under 6,000. There are some cool features that I like most. One of the main features is we can record videos in 5K 30 FPS. The interesting thing is it has dual display, framing your shot perfectly with a dual screen. While recording the video, motion detection plays a major role, and we got 30 meters of waterproof resistant also. In the box, we got 2 extended battery. There is no compromise in the battery life. When it's come to the photography section, we got 50 MP sharp image. And we got 170 degree of wide angle. With the help of EIS Stabilization, we got butter smooth videos even on a bumpy rides. Through the box, we got 18 plus accessories to make the mounting easy for the perfect travel vlog. And the low light performance is also very nice. These are the few things that I like most in IZI ONE Lite. Just comment your thoughts.